Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Rinse and Repeat. Today I'm going to share with you how I grow watermelon and rockmelon from seeds. If you have been watching my videos, you would have seen that I love to grow veggies and fruits in my backyard from the seeds that you can find in your kitchen. It helps me to show that gardening doesn't have to be an expensive deal. Anyone can start from just soil and pots and nature will do the rest. So let us start today's video by harvesting the seeds. For harvesting the seeds, I am going to take a rock melon that I bought from the supermarket. Generally, rock melon has a lot of seeds which you can scoop out. I'm using a small spoon to scoop out 10 seeds from this melon. I'm trying to avoid any pulp. Generally, the seeds in this melon is secured in a web of fibers. You want to avoid them. Now with the health paper over here, I'm just going to wipe them off to get rid of any extra pulp so that when we are germinating them in a tissue paper, it doesn't lead to rotting. Now we will pick seeds from this watermelon over here. With watermelon, the seeds are embedded into the fruit and they are actually lined in a pattern which is fun to follow and find the seeds. Now I'm going to give the watermelon seeds a good wipe as well, just to avoid the rotting as we discussed before. Once that is done, I'm going to line them separately in different tissue papers to give them enough space to grow. So I'm going to do the watermelon seeds first. I'm going to line them separately, giving them enough space to grow because all the melons have really strong root system when they actually germinate, and they have a really good germination rate as well. Make sure the tissue paper is completely damp and use another tissue paper so the seeds don't leave their place and don't overlap while they're germinating. Once done, put them in the same Ziploc bag as you have done with the watermelon, so they help each other with germination and create kind of a greenhouse effect in the plastic bag. This is a 5-day-old watermelon seed that has been germinated. Out of 6, only 2 of them germinated. So make sure when you choose watermelon seed, it needs to be the plump ones, not the white or the immature ones. Now this is 10 days old watermelon and rockmelon seeds in the germination process. You can see here that the melon seeds have a really good and strong root system. This one has a really good growth. It has leaves established as well. The other one also germinated. However, the root did not establish itself. I'm still going to give this a chance and sow them in the soil. Now let us look at the rock melon ones. I can already see that they have grown really beautifully. Look at that root system. This is absolutely amazing. Rockmelons had a good germination rate as well, so we're gonna see how we will sow them in soil today. For soil, I am using the regular potting mix that I buy from the local nursery. If you make your own potting mix, make sure you use more compost than regular, as the gourds and melons need a lot of nutrition to survive, especially when they are establishing themselves. Here I'm trying to break lumps if there are any, so the roots develop without any blocks. As usual, I am using moist soil so I do not harm the seedlings from the water pressure. As a seedling tray, I'm going to use a plastic tray from a snack pack that I bought. I just made some drainage holes in the bottom of the plastic tray and filled that with this soil. In this tray, now I'm going to use a dry branch. I'm making these wells here to plant 2 watermelon seedlings and 6 rock melon seedlings. I'm going to slowly lift the seedlings and place them in these wells and make sure the root system gets enough space and it does not break. After that, I'm gently pushing the soil around it down so the root can hold on to the soil and grow further. I will update you with the progress of this as it grows. I share my plant updates on my Instagram as well. If you would like to follow me on Insta, you can find the link in the description box as well. Be sure to be very gentle with these seedlings because they are not strong enough and they will break, or you may damage them by just trying to plant them in soil. If you like this video, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe and also on the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next video.